Find all rational numbers a, b, c, such that c plus b times the cube root of 2 plus a times the cube root of 4 equals 0. If a equals 0, then equation 1 can be written as c plus b times the cube root of 2 equals 0. B must be 0, otherwise the cube root of 2 equals minus c over b is rational, as c, b are rational numbers. This is a contradiction. Thus, from equation 2, we have c equals b equals 0. Assume a doesn't equal 0. Equation 1 can be written as a times the cube root of 2 all squared plus b times the cube root of 2 plus c equals 0. Thus, the cube root of 2 is the root of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The cube root of 2 is also a root of x cubed minus 2 equals 0. Divide x cubed minus 2 by ax squared plus bx plus c, and let q of x be the quotient and dx plus e be the remainder. We have x cubed minus 2 equals q of x times ax squared plus bx plus c plus dx plus e. D, e are rational, and q of x is a linear polynomial with rational coefficients. Substitute x equals the cube root of 2 in identity 3. We have the cube root of 2 all cubed minus 2 equals q of the cube root of 2 times 0 plus d times the cube root of 2 plus e, the cube root of 2 all cubed minus 2, which is 2 minus 2, which is 0. So we have 0 equals d times the cube root of 2 plus e. E must be 0, otherwise the cube root of 2 equals minus e over d is rational, and e equals 0. Thus, identity 3 can be written as x cubed minus 2 equals q of x times ax squared plus bx plus c. Since q of x is a linear polynomial with rational coefficients, so q of x equals 0 must have a rational root beta. Q of beta equals 0. Substitute x equals beta in identity 4. We have beta cubed minus 2 equals q of beta times a beta squared plus b beta plus c. Beta cubed minus 2 equals 0. This implies that x cubed minus 2 equals 0 has a rational root beta. This is a contradiction. Thus, a must be 0. Hence, a equals b equals c equals 0 are the rational numbers satisfying the given condition. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.